Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh and today I have to tell you something. Don't be afraid of English. English is just a language. But the question is, why are we afraid of speaking English? You see, when I was a child, I was afraid to speak English. When I grew up, I learned to speak English. But I was born in an atmosphere, in an environment where people don't know how to speak English. So whenever I tried to speak English in front of them, they laughed at me. And this made me really nervous and embarrassed. I thought if I speak to them in English language and they laugh at me like this, I will never be able to speak English fluently. This thing is going to stop me from speaking English in the future because I always think of that. I always think if I speak, they will laugh. If I tell them something, they will laugh. If I use English, they will laugh. And they laugh all the time. So the question is, why do you stop yourself from speaking English if somebody laughs at you? It's your matter. It's your personal life. If you want to learn to speak English, even if you want to learn to do anything, if you want to do anything in your life, why would someone decide what you want to do? If I want to speak English, I will decide that I will speak English in my life. I will never ever let anybody decide what I want to do because this is my life. So this is what you have to do is you have to decide that you want to speak English. So you have to give up. You have to get rid of being afraid of English speaking. Now you say, sir, I don't know and I'm afraid. People always laugh at me. I say, keep laughing. Let them laugh. They will laugh because they don't know English speaking. They laugh because you are talented. You are more talented than them. They are laughing at you because you can do something what they cannot do. They are laughing at you because they can sense that you are going to be successful in the future with this skill, with this talent, and they cannot. They know this. That's why they are laughing. Now you see, now you have the reason. You have this reason to learn something. You have to start to learn to speak English. Even you have to start speaking English from today, from this very moment. You have to speak English language. Okay. So, second thing is making mistakes. If you are new, if you are a beginning and you are trying to learn to speak English, you make mistakes. And you say, mistakes make me unconfident. They stop me from English speaking. So what? It happens all the time. Even when I started speaking English, I started my career as a teacher. I was nervous. I was not very confident. I was not very sure about what I am going to say in English language. I made some mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes in my life in English language. So what? It is normal thing. Just remember this thing that you are learning to speak English. You were born in India. You don't even know how to speak English. You were born in an environment where people only speak only one language and this is Hindi language. आप उस जगह पैदा हुए हो जहाँ पे लोग सिर्फ हिंदी बोलते हैं. It's not your fault. If you are learning something, you will make mistake. This is normal. अगर आप कुछ सीख रहे हो तो आप गलतियाँ करोगे. ये तो normal चीज़ है. Then why are you stopping yourself from English speaking? तो आप अपने आप को अंग्रेजी बोलने से क्यों रोक रहे हैं? Not just English. If you are learning anything, सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही नहीं, आप कुछ और भी सीख रहे हो तो वहाँ भी आप मिस्टेक्स करोगे. If you are learning anything, you will make mistakes too. And why only make excuse about English speaking? तो अकेला अंग्रेजी बोलने के मामले में ये बहाना क्यों? Because we are afraid and you have to start speaking English. You have to give up being afraid of English speaking, as I did in my life. Okay. So first thing is, you have to understand the mindset of the people in front of you who are laughing at you. It really does not matter if somebody is laughing at you. It means you are getting success. You are being successful in your life. If they are laughing at you, it means you are being successful in your life. Okay? What you have to do is, for some time, don't talk to them. Don't listen to them. Just talk to them in your own language, which is Hindi language. You don't need to speak English language because they laugh and you be, out of the confidence. But they don't know that you are trying to learn to speak English from behind, in the background, in your home. You are trying to learn to speak English, and one day you will speak English confidently, and you will tell them that I can do something that you cannot. Okay. And second thing is, making mistakes is a normal thing. Just take it as a normal thing and just keep speaking English language every day. Every day, keep English language. Keep speaking English language. Okay? And if you like the video, if you understand what I said to you, and if you like the video, just subscribe the channel and like the video, share the video, and press the bell icon and wait for my next video. Till then, goodbye.